Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna be installing some ODI grips on my ATV. These are the Rogue 130 millimeter black grips. On this side, I already started because I didn't know it was gonna work or not, but I have my air compressor. It's a small one, but I basically got a what is this, a 5 millimeter, and I just plugged it in on that side, and then I ran air through it, and basically it popped off on that side. So we're gonna try it again to see if we can get it on video. Let's try this again. Okay guys, so what we're trying to do basically is plug in this hole right here and pump air through the other side so we can get this off. That's basically the idea. I saw it on YouTube, but I wanted to try it myself to see if it was really gonna work. So we have an air compressor right here. We have our little gun. I got this little gun on Amazon. Let's see if it works. Right now I shot it. Look. Oh man. Okay guys, so basically the next step we're gonna try to do is blow some air through this side so that other one can come off. So let's try it again. Let's see if it works. It's kind of hard having the phone in one hand, and then let me see if I can record this another side right here. So eventually we got them out, right? So yeah, basically why I took these off was because I just recently went on a trail with my friends in Del Rio, Texas, and it gets tiring. You know, you're gripping this much of the trail, and they're not soft, they're hard, and I don't know, it's just different. And these ODI grips, they're way better. The rubber feels way better. They're bigger. I feel they're bigger. So now what we're basically gonna do, we're gonna install these bad boys and see what we do next. So with the kit, it comes with these little screws. It comes with the grips and everything. So they have a cutout right there. So basically you just put it on like that, and then let's figure out how we want them on there. We don't want them looking weird or anything. Around there, it clears the throttle right there basically, and then we're gonna tighten them up and see how they come out. So there it is, guys, the ODI Grips. I'm gonna be doing the oil change next, so stay tuned. Peace.